Legacy TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Jonka Tata Motors Halatgor Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobying Jompi
Hababot Yikindon Traikam Jonka Rotary International ke Rotary Club Jowai Hagasking Sajan Jonka Southrik Upana Jeleo Arajar Arpo Ar Kala Pynrung Dkhot Thymmai Hagajingelang Kabalalong Ha Infinity Conference Hall Hakashnong Moralong Hagani Gajingelang Bala Penyai de President Jonka Club Uba Menteri Pesa La Pediang Burom Dkhot Uba Fencing Serti Kum Dkhot Uba Thymmai da Uba Samehi Lalu Bat Kiwai de Dkhot Jonka Rotary Club Kibala Sakhilang Hagani Gasni
Rotary members are prominent people. Rotary members are prominent people. Leader of business, profession, government, in religion, and in all disciplines. Rotary Club, as what he said that, is the oldest and the most prestigious service club in the world. As a nice person, it is nice to be important, but it is important to be nice. Opportunity to serve. Motto, service above self. Here we have got an opportunity to serve. Rotary service, its business is mankind. You remember, Rotary service, its business is mankind. Its product is service. We believe he profit most who serve best. You can give to the world the best you can, and the best will come back to you.
Doing service for the benefit of the community and society at large. That is the first sentence. What is Rotary? The first Rotary Club, for your information, was founded more than 100 years ago. Was founded on the 23rd February 1905 at downtown Chicago. Who founded this Rotary?